on, sweetie. So I had to see what was going on. It's still lightning out here. The sky got lighter over there and the clouds are moving. I don't know which way I'm facing. They're moving in that direction. The storm's going that way. It's probably not safe for me to be out here on the porch like this. But I'm out here. I wanted to see if I could get another lightning strike or two. My heart is pounding right now. Like I said, I can deal with the thunder. It's the lightning. Oh God. Okay. I'm in. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was really scary. Okay, I am probably gonna cry if the storm gets any louder. I don't do too well with lightning, and that was like right in front of my face. So, that freaked me out. Oh shoot. I don't want to be scared. It's coming from that direction. It went that way and it's raining really hard now. Okay, I am getting rained on a little bit. I better go inside. It's kind of scary. Alright, well, it's thunderstorming at my mother's in Belleville, Michigan. Oh, okay. Oh my God! Okay, I'm scared. I'm going in. I love you guys. Stay safe. I'm getting the candles out. Oh my God.